G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a lovely home, 8 Venus Street, in the master plan community of Augustus, which is also in the popular suburb of Urraween, only minutes away from just about everything that makes Hervey Bay great. Let's go and take a look around. This inner suburban oasis is positioned on a low maintenance 375 square metre allotment, making it the perfect home base to return to between your nomadic travels. Busy professionals who do not have the time to maintain a larger home will also appreciate this lovely property. Immaculate and beautifully presented in the highly sought after suburb of Urraween in the master plan community of Augustus, you are conveniently close to essential amenities including shopping centres, hospitals, medical centre, golf course and everything else that makes Hervey Bay great. Enter and be welcomed by an array of quality appointments, sleek aesthetics and an open light-filled design. Enjoy the fusion of classic lines with modern finishes that truly create something special with an intuitive and creative floor plan. The stylish kitchen does form the heart of this home and includes stone bench tops with loads of storage and quality appliances, which include a gas cooktop with range hood, dishwasher and pantry, making it ideal for preparing meals for both everyday and special occasions. This lovely home utilises its space perfectly with an open plan living and dining area which seamlessly opens out to the alfresco outdoor entertaining area. This is where you'll take advantage and enjoy Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate whilst relaxing at the end of each day. It also features pull-down blinds, so you'll be able to entertain no matter what the weather. Cooling off over the warmer summer months is as simple as turning on the reverse cycle split system air conditioning, which covers the main living and dining area as well as the main bedroom. This home offers great separation and privacy for everyone, with all 3 bedrooms being located away from the main entertaining area. This home also features a large study which could also be used as a second living area or media room. All 3 spacious bedrooms include built-in wardrobes and ceiling fans. The spacious main bedroom includes reverse cycle split system air conditioning and a walk-in wardrobe and ensuite. The bathroom includes a large bath and shower plus vanity, and you've also got a separate toilet. Those looking to accommodate several vehicles will appreciate the double garage, which features seamless 2-pack flooring and offers direct internal access into the home. The owner of this lovely home has committed to selling and is looking for an immediate sale. So here's your opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You will only be disappointed if you miss this one.